Why not every startup should aim to be a unicorn? Everywhere you look in the startup world, people are obsessed with unicorns. That magical billion-dollar valuation. The media glorifies them. Investors chase them. Founders dream of them. But here's the truth. Not every startup should aim to be a unicorn. In fact, for many, it's the wrong goal entirely. In today's video, we'll break down why the unicorn obsession can hurt founders, what alternative paths look like, and how you can build a successful company without chasing a billion-dollar valuation. Stay with me, and you might just rethink what success means for your startup. First, let's talk about why everyone is obsessed with unicorns. Venture capital firms push it because they need huge returns. The media loves it because it makes for flashy headlines. And founders buy into it because it feels like the ultimate badge of honor. But here's the dark side. Chasing unicorn status often means growth at all costs, and costs can kill you. For example, WeWork ballooned to a $47 billion valuation, but the rush for unicorn glory exposed unsustainable economics. Theranos raised billions, reached unicorn status, but lacked real product-market validation. Unicorn chasing often prioritizes speed over sustainability, valuation over value, and hype over fundamentals. Here's the truth. You don't need a billion-dollar valuation to be successful. What you need is a sustainable business model that generates profits, impact, and longevity. Let's look at some counterexamples. Basecamp, now 37 signals. Bootstrapped, profitable for decades, never aimed to be a unicorn. Mailchimp, never took venture money, scaled steadily, and was sold for $12 billion. Thanks. Sarah Blakely started with $5,000, bootstrapped, and became a billionaire without VC. These companies didn't chase unicorn hype. They built lasting businesses on their own terms. The unicorn trap. So why is chasing unicorn status dangerous? Let's break it down. Unrealistic growth pressure. Founders end up scaling before they're ready. Dilution of control. More VC funding means less ownership and autonomy. Shaky foundations. Chasing valuation often means ignoring profitability. Founder burnout. Many founders flame out trying to keep up with unicorn-level expectations. Quibi raised $1.75 billion, launched in 2020, and shut down in 6 months. The unicorn chase blinded them to market reality. Alternative paths to success. Now let's explore what success can look like if you're not chasing unicorn status. Bootstrapped growth. Keeping ownership, growing steadily. Buffer, Basecamp. Zebra companies. Profitable, ethical, and focused on real impact, not just valuation. Lifestyle businesses. Smaller but highly profitable companies that give founders freedom. Camel startups. Companies that survive tough times, balancing growth with resilience, for example. Shopify, which grew through 2008 recession by focusing on fundamentals. The point is, not all companies need to be unicorns to be valuable. You can be a camel, built to survive and thrive in all conditions. Redefining metrics that matter. If valuation isn't the right North Star, what should be? Here are the metrics that really matter. Profitability, real revenue and margins. Sustainability, ability to survive downturns. Customer love, retention, loyalty, word of mouth. Founder happiness, building a business you actually want to run. Think of it like this: unicorns are rare, flashy, and fragile. But camels, zebras, and steady horses, those survive and thrive. Practical advice for founders. Define success on your own terms. Is it freedom, profitability, impact, or legacy? Don't overraise. Take money only when you need it, not just because investors offer it. Focus on customers, not just investors. Customer revenue is the best funding. Build lean and stay disciplined. Keep burn rates low. Play the long game. Success in 10 to 20 years is more important than short-term hype. To wrap up, unicorns make headlines, but they don't always make sense. Chasing a billion-dollar valuation can destroy your company, your health, and your vision. Instead, focus on building something sustainable, meaningful, and profitable. Success isn't about becoming the next WeWork. It's about creating a company you're proud of, that lasts, and that serves real people. So ask yourself, do you really want to be a unicorn, or would you rather build a business that actually works? If you found this video valuable, hit like, subscribe, and share it with another founder.